And this is the one. Number 7. This is the car, my car for the day.
So just bought a 2021 KTM Adventure 870. Got 100 miles to go to get home.
There's the famous Blue Water Lagoon. I used to spend time out when I was a teenager. And infamous Parker Bridge Railroad Trestle. Check it out. Now what is this?
Will be key, but this will be a scenario. I'm going to have him do the demo of slamming on the brakes and steering to the left lane. Okay. All right, Lane, let me have you do the demo here of slamming on the brakes and steering to the left lane on this one. Okay, so we're green. We're accelerating up. We're at 45. Okay. Last second. Slam on the brakes and steer to that left lane. Come to a complete stop. So something you'll notice, and we're going to talk about this a little bit later, is the differences between I can lift, turn, squeeze to avoid the crash, or I can go to the brakes, right? And again, it's kind of realizing who's behind you. I guarantee you, like on the freeway, somebody's tailgating you, right? So that option, a lift, turn, squeeze, is usually a better option. But again, it depends on the situation. If it is little Johnny, I don't care who's behind me. I'm slamming on the brakes.
Okay, here we go. We're going to do this obstacle right here. Time to get in the red eye. Time to get in the red eye. Okay, now we're going to do our next exercise, which is called avoidance training. It is when we take and are given a series of 3 lights, and whatever light stays green is the lane that we're actually supposed to drive in. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, and this one's getting ready to go next. There he goes. Start off at 25. You see how it goes with this guy? All right, good. So not too bad. Got the first one. It's supposed to go 25. I think I was going 30. Cheated a little bit, but I've done this exercise before. But this is tough, let me tell you, because the trick to it is not watching the lights. You need to watch beyond the lights and see the light changes in your peripheral vision. That is the key to doing this. If you're staring at the lights, then you're going to be overreacting, because you've got to see the light, let it come to your brain, and then make your body do what it's supposed to do to control the car, or to put the car in the direction you want. But if you're using your peripheral vision, what I found is, instead of reacting, you're responding. And there's a difference between reacting and responding. So let's try it again. So on this one, I hit a cone, and the instructor pulled me over and talked to me, and he said, you need to lift. So we're supposed to decelerate, which is probably something he said that it didn't register. I was just holding it steady. So by decelerating, I'm going to allow my weight to transfer to the front of the tires. It's going to give me a little bit more control. That way I can keep that Dodge Charger still and not have to go pick up my cones. these have these hydraulic wheels that lift the car, so it can teach you how to control a spin or come out of a spin. It's a lot of fun.